Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to warp text. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is, so let's say you have this text, right? Now, I want this and its background to be merged, so I'm going to click on the one above it, right click it, and then press merge down. And then now, if I were to go to my toolbox and right click on my warp transformation, now I can warp the entire shebang. Now, if you just want to do it to words that don't have a background or anything, then you could just click on the warp transform and just start going crazy. But as you see, since I do have a background behind this, then I do have to go ahead and merge this down, and then I can do the whole thing. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.